Mini projectors can give you a sharp, clear picture anywhere you need because they're portable and compact. Projectors are helpful because they can cast a picture onto any surface and turn it into any size screen you need. They're suitable for entertainment and business presentations. Projectors can transform your favorite content, whether a movie, show, or online video. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one. To help you make an informed decision, in this video, we break down the best mini projectors on the market. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 1. Anker Nebula Capsule 2. The Anker Nebula Capsule 2 is one of the prime considerations. When it comes to that, the size of a soda can is about as small as you can get, especially as most bags and backpacks have pockets designed for carrying drink-sized items. It's got everything you need, including a speaker built into the base and a built-in app store. Connect it to a Wi-Fi network, and you're ready. The projector runs on Google's Android software, so with the easy-to-use interface, you can easily download apps like Netflix or Hulu, plus you get the bonus of built-in Google Assistant. You can also control it using Google Assistant, a smartphone app, or the supplied remote. The Nebula Capsule 2 is the perfect solution for a pop-up cinema night or even as a bedroom TV for occasional use. It's not cheap, but it's got everything you need built in. Number 2. Genie Elfin Mini Projector. The Genie Elfin Mini Projector is an indoor projector with 800 ANSI lumens that delivers many features in a small package. The projector has built-in Google TV as its operating system, complete with a collection of streaming apps. You can set up this projector and be watching a movie within minutes. You can work around that by casting to the projector or using a streaming stick on the HDMI port on the back, but you shouldn't have to. The projector's base is round with rubber feet and a tripod mount in the center. The round base makes propping the device awkward because there's no aiming mechanism to point it where you want it to go. Aiming the projector at the screen or wall automatically fills the most significant possible space while avoiding other objects on the wall, like shelves or lamps. It's slick and makes things super easy to set up. The brightness could be higher, but this projector has many great features in a small package and will serve you very well. Number 3. ViewSonic M1 Plus. The ViewSonic M1 Plus is a favorite item because of its self-contained versatility. The stand built into the projector swings up to protect the lens when closed. When open, the stand can point the projector where it needs to go. Overall, this entry gets high marks for design because of its clean look and built-in kickstand. On the downside, the picture tops out at 480p, and the keystone adjustment tends to be glitchy. It has an ultra-portable WVGA 854x480p LED projector with a shorter throw lens. But the M1 Plus has an impressive 120:0:0:1 contrast ratio and a long-lasting battery for up to 6 hours when the projector is in eco mode. Inputs range from microSD, USB-C, HDMI, and USB-A. It can also output sound with a 3.5mm audio jack. It gets set up in seconds with autofocus, vertical keystone correction, and 360-degree projection. Number 4. Genie Halo Plus. The Genie Halo Plus can produce a full HD 1080p resolution that shines it up to 900 ANSI lumens, ideal for nighttime outdoor viewing. An onboard Android interface with Chromecast, plus 2 GB of memory and 16 GB of flash storage, nearly completes the package. Finally, the automatic keystone adjustment, autofocus, and intelligent obstacle avoidance features make setting this projector up in just about any environment much more straightforward. It even has a low-latency 26.5 milliseconds gaming mode for portable tourneys. With everything from a battery that lasts up to 2 hours to two 5W Harman Kardon stereo speakers, this Genie Halo Plus is among the complete portable projectors available. Halo Plus emits clean, distortion-free hi-fi sound with excellent bass response. Also compatible with Dolby Audio, DTS HD/Studio, and Bluetooth 5.0. Number 5. ViewSonic M1 Mini Plus. The ViewSonic M1 Mini Plus measures only 4 by 4 inches. This LED projector with WVGA 854x480p resolution delivers convenient entertainment nearly anywhere. An integrated JBL Bluetooth speaker delivers big sound in a small package. It isn't a portable projector to play games on or use as an HD TV replacement. It's best as a portable presentation aid, a carry-on movie player for long-distance hotel stays, or as much quality as possible on a tight budget. This live-stream sporting event will go straight into your living room. Binge shows on Netflix or Disney Plus by adding a dongle. Its automatic vertical keystone correction helps eliminate crooked and distorted images. It provides up to 1.5 hours of power, while power bank compatibility offers extended battery life wherever you go. It enables easy placement in a variety of positions and angles. The intelligent stand also doubles as a lens cover. Like always, their links for purchase with more information will be available in the description box. Don't forget to check them out down there.